Masterchef Mom. Today I have come to you with another tasty savory dish for Diwali. Not only Diwali, this dish is usually made during weddings, and this snack is given as a return gift to all those who attend weddings. Today I am going to share the recipe of Kalyana Thenguzhal. So a recipe that is so tasty, a snack that is incredible. You would have wondered how the snacks that is given during weddings are especially so tasty. So today we are going to see how to make this delicious Kalyana Thenguzhal. Without delay, let's start cooking. So the first step, I'm going to lightly fry the moong dal and the chana dal. I've taken half a cup of moong dal and 1/4 cup of chana dal, and we are going to lightly fry them, not till it turns brown, just going to lightly fry them for just 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to powder this, and this is the flour we're going to use along with the rice flour. And just touch it and see. It's nice and hot. That's it. And also you can smell the aroma of the moong dal. Just another 30 seconds and I'm going to switch off the gas. That's it. I'm going to switch off the gas. I'm going to allow this to cool for a bit and then grind it into a powder. The ground flour is also ready. I'm taking half a cup of the ground flour, okay, and 1 cup of the rice flour. Now we are going to sieve both of this and we are going to add it to a big bowl. To this we are going to add salt, around half a teaspoon I'm adding, and then I'm going to add butter, 1 tablespoon of butter. You can also add ghee if you want, melted ghee. I'm adding butter. If you also want, you can add little bit of jeera, but I'm not adding any jeera powder or whole jeera. Even kids will love this Thenguzhal a lot. Mix it well like this so that it becomes crumbly. If you hold it like this, it should hold shape. Okay. Now we are going to add water little by little. I'm just going to take half a cup of water, sprinkle and add. Just a few drops more. See, in case it breaks while we are making, we should add just little more of the water and we can make the second batch. So for first batch we always try it that way. And we have to close and keep it while the oil is going to heat up so that the batter does not dry up. So close it with a tight lid. Okay, and for the murukku press, I had shared earlier. This is my mom-in-law's murukku press. This is the attachment for Thenguzhal. It has these 3 holes. This is the attachment. So I'm going to mix it like this. Put it inside. See, it is ready. Just grease it a bit. Okay, and then we are going to put the batter inside. I have kept oil for heating. See, the oil is ready. I'm just going to drop a small piece to check whether it is frying. It is coming up. That means the oil is absolutely ready to fry the thenguzhal. So I'm going to take a small portion of the dough. Okay, and just put it inside. More press. Just 2 to 3 small circles. So all this frothing will reduce. Just don't touch it for the first at least a minute. Don't touch it, and then we can flip it. Once the bubbles settle down, then we can flip it. The thenguzhal comes out very crispy, tasty, and melt in the mouth also. It's crispy at the same time, melt in the mouth. This is the right color. While taking it out of the oil itself, you know how crispy it is. So drain all the excess oil like this. See how beautiful our thenguzhal is now ready. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you love the video, subscribe to my channel, like the video and share the video with all your friends and family. I'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking.